How's it going, guys? I'm back here with another video. From last time we talked, I had a video here, installed those daytime running lights on my mech GTR turn signals by TST Industries. And I did mention that video that I would be retrofitting my Z900 headlights with projectors. So I finally got those projectors in. It did take quite a bit of time because it was being shipped overseas. Originally, I planned to retrofit the Z900 with parts from the RetroFit source, which is here in the US. But then I came across RetroFitLab there in the UK. They had a kit there for the Z900, so it didn't require me to do any cutting, which I originally was going to do on the reflector assembly on the Z900. As you can see here in the package, it does come with this mounting bracket. Now, I'm going to try to test it out without the mounting bracket because I really wanted to use the reflector housing that's already in the Z900 and just paint it black. But if that doesn't work due to fitment issues, I will use this bracket here. But I'm going to try it out without a bracket, see if it fits. If it doesn't, then we'll use the mounting bracket. So this gives you an overview here what comes in the package. It's nicely packaged here. As you can see here, right out of the box, it comes with these, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Xenon ballast. Right? So they're really good quality ballast here. Let me open one up here for you guys. So it looks like the typical ballast. All right, good wiring there, all braided. The actual ballast there, pretty heavy duty, made on metal there. Well, I think it's made on metal. Feels pretty hefty, feels very good quality there. I wasn't quite sure, I was kind of hesitant ordering these parts from the RetroFitLab. I've never ordered parts from them, but it looks like they have a good reputation there in the UK. A lot of people do use them. So, another ballast, I am using Bi-Xenon projectors, so we'll have both low beam and high beam. And it does come with the wiring harness, as you see here. Wiring harness here for your ballast, the plug-in for the headlight here. Of course, it has an inline fuse. Very nice quality here. Again, I was hesitant because I wasn't quite sure what the quality was, but it looks pretty good quality because I'm used to using the RetroFit source. Their wiring harness and their projectors for Morimotos are really good quality. I retrofitted a few of my bikes prior to my Z900. I did a retrofit on my R6 I used to have. I did a retrofit on my my truck I have. So, but you can see pretty good. None that flimsy eBay wiring harness. So this should last a long time. Good quality there. And here's a high beam splitter here. Again, these are Bi-Xenon, so these are the this would be the high beam plug-in here. Now, the nice thing about this kit is it comes with these extenders for the ballast. You see here, I can't fit it all on the camera, but it's fairly long. Here, it's from here all the way to here. So I'd say 2 feet there. The nice thing about this is, as you know, with the Z900, there's not much room in the front cowling to really mount the ballasts, right? So the nice thing about these extenders here is you can put these ballasts more on the rear seat or on the rider seat where the battery's at. There's more room there to mount the ballasts, so that way you don't have to worry about mounting them on the front of the bike, or it could be exposed. So I really like this right here. Now moving on to the projectors. So the projectors here, very good quality. I did open this box up prior to this video just to take a look at things. But these are very well built projectors. See here, very lightweight. So very nice. Very lightweight, nicely packaged. Sealed packaging here. Very good quality there. I was very impressed. a lot of times you get projectors, you can easily buy projectors from eBay or Amazon. A lot of times they're just, Chinese knockoffs, and there's not very good quality. Yes, you can use them, but in the long run, they may fail on you. And I've experienced that about projectors from a Chinese manufacturer a long time ago for my R6 retrofit. They failed on me after like a year. I had to rebuy the parts and redo the project again because it failed on me. So I learned my lesson. I buy high quality projectors. And then these are the shrouds here. I got them in black. I want a blacked out housing there with my Z900. I want that black look. It's a glossy black, so I think it'll look good. I got these dust caps. It came with the kit. Because with these projectors, they're gonna stick out past the housing in the rear of the front housing of the rear of the front housing of the headlight. So they have these dust caps that extend the coverage, so that way make sure there's no water or dust that gets into the headlights. So really nice there. Then lastly, we also got the HIDs. I have the actual HIDs here. Again, just your typical HIDs. Nothing special there. But yeah, that's the kit there. I got it from RetroFitLab.com. I'll put the link in the description. Very good people. We're easy to work with. They are looking in the UK, so if you do order these, just do expect to have a long shipping time, especially with the outbreak of the pandemic going on. Things have slowed down for them, so shipping times are a bit longer than usual. Like I said, they take about 2.5 weeks for this to be received here in the US. But as well, the price, it's about in US dollars, I think it ran me about $260, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's $260. But a good product. I'm looking forward to installing them, so I will make a separate video when I do install it. I'm sure you the end result. All right, well, thanks guys for joining. That's it for now, and we'll see you on the next one.